What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since I picked up a camera. I did say we were getting new parts in the last video and they came in. I found some that are pretty close to the real ones. I don't even know, but they're pretty badass. And they're right here. As you can see, I got some Ganadors. I've been wanting these for the Z. I saw that they had these for my car. I've been looking for some. I was gonna buy some real ones, but unfortunately, I do not have money like that. Let me show you guys. Look how sick these things look. Just fucking nice. And it has the blue, I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera, but it has the blue mirrors on it. So it's pretty badass. Comes with some sealant you can put on them and some stuff for the wiring. That way you can get the mirrors to work. Right now I'm just gonna test fit. First I have to take off the original one. I can't wait to install these. Hopefully they fit. I'm hoping they do. But first we gotta take these off, and for us to do that, pretty much have to take off the door trim from the inside, and after that it's, I believe, 3 bolts to unscrew, and then you gotta obviously unplug them from the power. Basically took one out, driver's side. Here's a size comparison. You can tell the major difference. This one is way smaller than this, way smaller. Even if I just turn it around, just so you could see the visibility, I mean, of each one. Look at that compared to that. It's way smaller, way smaller. I want to say about 40% smaller, probably 30. But yeah, big difference. But all for looks, right? I'm gonna put this one in, test fit it, see how it fits. Hopefully it fits pretty good. I don't want to have to do any shaving or anything. Fitment is pretty damn good if you ask me, to be honest. Let's go inside the car and see how it looks. I haven't really fully installed. I only installed this because you only have to loosen it up from here, from this side of the trim, just to get to the piece in the corner to take that off. So luckily, you don't have to take the whole door card off. But look at this. Just, dude, that is so fucking sick. I just have to do the wiring. Not the best at wiring, don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna wait till my cousin comes through on the weekend. It's currently Friday, well, it's currently Saturday, so he's gonna come on Sunday. But yeah, it's gonna look sick. Visibility is really bad, if you ask me. But I don't care, because they look fucking sick. What is going on, guys? It's the same day, just in the afternoon after work. I'm currently taking the mirrors off because I'm putting the sealant on it. I already did one. I have to take this one off to do that as well. But just to give you guys an example, this is how it looks with the sealant on. Let me bring it out here so you guys can see clearly. But as you guys see, I put it all around right here. Hopefully this will keep it from getting any bugs and moisture in there. So that's one. I just got to take the other one off, and I'll probably clean up this a little bit before I put them on. Alright, so sealant is on both of them, or whatever this shit is. I'm gonna call it sealant because it just helps keep dirt out of here and shit like that. But yeah, those things are on. Literally all we have to do, wait for my cousin to come and help me with this wiring shit because I don't know it. I don't know how it works, but yeah, that's done. Just waiting on him now. Question for you guys. Should I color them gray like these are and the wing? I don't like exposed carbon like that. I only like it subtle, like the interior or small things on the exterior. I kind of outgrew having carbon fiber on the outside. I know my past car shows the opposite with the fat fucking V2 Nismo wing that was carbon, the carbon covers that I had on my OEM mirror, the mirror caps were carbon. Also, I had the gauge pods. I had a lot of carbon shit on that car, and I was gonna get more carbon on the outside for it, but I didn't. And now I'm outgrowing it, kind of like subtle carbon fiber pieces. Like the only interior carbon fiber piece I have is the thing around the shifter because I hate the silver around it. Basically, I wouldn't want anything silver. Like I hate this on these cars. I wish these came black or the same color as the car. Um, like if you got a red one, they'll come red. Kind of like the new ones, the new Z's, they come with that the same color as the car, the little handle. But yeah, I low-key want to color these the same color as the other ones. Color them like a gray or make them black like the whole car. But if I do them gray, it'll match the front bumper for the lip accent that's gray. The side skirts, part of it's gray. And the wing, the top of the wing is gray. The rear bumper has gray accents as well. It would fit nicely. And if I were to do them gray, kind of takes the whole carbon fiber off, which I really like, to be honest. I might do it. If you ask me, it's worth. But I'm going to ask you guys for your opinion. I'm going to put these on like this right now. That's like future project stuff, maybe. Might take them off. Take them to my buddy Jimmy that does body work and have them paint them. You guys give me your opinions in the comments down below. Carbon or gray? This is the color outside. Can't really see it well. Kind of the same color as the fucking Honda that I'm driving right now. So I cut these off from the OEM mirror caps to connect them to these. That way we can adjust the mirrors. That way I can see everything properly on the mirror. That's why I cut these off from the OEM ones. We're gonna put them together with each one. I'm just waiting for Neri to come, my cousin, to help me put them on. And then, yeah, I bought the heat gun you need for this. You know what I mean? Bought the heat gun. And I have these things. I highly recommend these. It makes everything easier. You just literally put them on, use a heat gun, and it melts the metal in the middle to connect the wires together properly. And I bought these also to shrink. You put them over, then you put these, put the heat gun on them. With those, the metal will melt. And as you can see in the middle of those, they have metal in them. That will melt to connect them. Then you put this one over and put the heat gun on that one to shrink it. That way it is closed properly and you don't get any moisture or whatever in there. Alright guys, so we connected the wires together. For those of you who don't know, I tried to look at a couple videos and they don't really show exactly which ones should connect. So the white one from the Ganadors goes with the yellow, gray with the Ganadors goes with the purple, and the green goes with the blue. And yeah, that's how you connect them. We just tested them, they work. Right now we're just gonna solder them together and then we'll put them in the car and they'll be good to go and they'll work. I can adjust them. And yeah, so let's do it. Alright guys, so after we did the wires, put them in and they're on now. I probably will show you guys during the day. The lighting's pretty shitty, so I'll show you guys tomorrow. So guys, this is how the Ganadors look on the car. They kind of look small from the front in the camera, but I mean, once looking at the car, they don't look too out of place. But they look good in my opinion. They look so good on the car. I really like them. It looks so clean, man. The visibility is a little wonky. Everything seems far away when looking through the mirrors while driving. Which I prefer that than not being able to see shit, because everything is pretty normal. But it kind of looks like when you zoom out on a camera, like on your phone, when you zoom out fully, kind of looks like that, but not that over exaggerated. But for you guys that want to kind of imagine how it is, that's pretty much almost as is, just not as fucking bad. But yeah, for now that's it on the car. Just have a little few issues I have to fix. I'm probably gonna either see them in the next video, or I might just not show you guys, since it's pretty repetitive on this channel lately, just issues with the car. Sorry, this video was pretty lame. Hopefully the next one will be better. I have a few things that I want to purchase for the car. Hopefully, I'm probably gonna purchase them sometime this week. Don't know when they'll get here, but for now, that's it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.